How to update DaVinci Resolve on a Windows PC. Open DaVinci Resolve, and if an update is available, you'll usually see a pop-up asking you to download it. If you don't see that pop-up, just open any project or create a temporary one and go to the top left corner where it says DaVinci Resolve. Then select Check for Updates. Resolve will scan for the latest version and let you know if an update is available. If you find any update here, click the download button and the installer will start downloading. Once the file finishes downloading, right-click and extract the file. Before you run the installer, make sure DaVinci Resolve is completely closed, otherwise the installation may fail. After that, open the installer and the setup window will appear. You'll see several components you can install along with optional tools. The main one you need is DaVinci Resolve itself. The Fairlight Audio Accelerator tool is meant for advanced users with specific hardware setups, so most people can leave it unchecked. Select these components, click Install, and follow the prompts. Once it completes, DaVinci Resolve will launch normally, fully updated, and all your previous projects will still be safe and available.